Okay, here's an interesting problem I found on Reddit where the poster wanted to put random numbers in here, and the columns have to sum to these, and the rows have to sum to these, and all the internal values have to sum to 1054. And he wanted to know how to generate random integers in here. So I was going to show you how I achieved it on Solver. First you have to go here and you go equals sum, and we would sum all the rows, and we copy that down. I'll go ahead and put the formula in here, and then here I go equals sum, and I would sum these numbers in the columns. And then copy that across. We'll put the formula for one of them down here. And then here I go equals sum, and we'll sum all of these. Alright, so now we have it set up, and I'm going to put some random numbers here, so I'm going to go equals randarray. Randarray, and it's 5 rows and 5 columns, and I'll put some random numbers in here. And then so now we just have, these are like a seed number. So now what I'll do is I'll use Solver, and I'll try to generate an answer here with that. So I'll go into data, and I'll go into Solver, and we want to set this to a value of 1054 by changing all of these cells here. We got some constraints. We want to say that all of these are equal to all of these. And then we add another constraint. I want to say all of these are going to be equal to all of these. And I want to add one more constraint. I want to say, since we want these to be integer values, I'll say I want all those to be integers, and I go OK. And then if I go solve, it comes up with an answer that satisfies that. So now what I would do, so I could copy these out, and let me take them and copy them, and I'll paste them as values down here. You're going to don't have to paste them as value, paste them. So that's one solution. So now we can generate another solution. I can go back here and clear this. I have to clear it because randarray is a spill function, so I have to clear it first, then I'll go randarray again. And then we'd run Solver again. Solve. And then here's another solution that satisfies the same thing. So what we're doing, we're generating seed numbers, and those seed numbers zero in on different solutions. So that's one way. I don't know how random that is, but that's one way to get those. So hopefully that helps. That's how I would do it. I can't think of another way to do it. I would just use Solver, randomly seed the numbers, and hopefully Solver will zero in on different solutions every time. Anyway, thank you. Bye.